Most of them may have interest in drawing, but still they lack in some information about drawing. So yes, you can know all these in my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get my updates and notifications when I post a video. Okay, so today's topic is basic knowledge of drawing pencils. Okay, so drawing pencils, the main thing which you should know are the pencil grades. For example, if you take any of the drawing pencils, in the bottom of your pencil would be called like 5B, 10B, 2B, H and etc. So because there are many grades in the pencils. Okay, so we are going to be learning in detail about what are these pencil grades and in which way they will be helping us. Okay, so basically there are many grades in pencils, so let us know about them. So guys, as you can see, we have the pencil grades. So yes, you can see the number line of the pencil here. So it starts from 9H and ends to 10B. So as you go further this side, you get the darkness of the pencil, and as you go to this side, you would get the lightness of the pencil. So here, can you see the full forms of some alphabets? Yes, they are the full form of the alphabets here, like 9H, B and F. So the full form of B, H and F are B for blackness. So as you go to B, 2B, 3B, 4B, it would become black enough, like dark color. And if you see H, the full form for hardness, and F for fine point. So these are the very important things which you should notice and also take a note about these. So B is for blackness, H is for hardness, F is for fine point. Okay, so let's see what are the grades of the pencil. 9H, 8H, 7H, 6H, 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, H, F, HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, 9B and 10B. Okay, so this is the thing which you should notice and also take a note. Okay, so there are many grades, like 21 grades and 21 pencils. So all these pencils may not be available in the place wherever we are, because even where am I living, some of these shades are not available. Okay, so even if they are not available, some pencil grades are there which are very important and also are available. So let's see what are they. Those are, the first would be the 2B. It will take this position, and the next is the 4B, and next is the 5B, which goes right here, and last but not the least is the 10B, and in the lightest shade will be the 4H. So these are the main pencil which I use for drawing, and also these are the main important things which for any pencil drawings it could be used. Okay, so now let's get back to our point. So guys, you guys have known what are the pencil grades and the full forms of B, H and F. Okay, so now we are going to see what grades are going to be used for what in a drawing. Okay, so here are some of my drawings. Okay, so let me just show you what pencils have I used and where did I use them. Okay, so this drawing is totally light colored because I didn't use any of the dark colored like 10B. Okay, so the main things which I used here would be the 4H. Okay, so 4H is a very light shade. So you can see that the moon nor the fur of the animal are very light shaded. Yes, so for that I use the 4H. And the next thing which I used here is my 2B, and I used it near highlighting its ears, highlighting its fur to make them look even more dark and make the drawing look realistic. And the next thing which I use here is my 4B, only near the mouth places and to highlight the points. See, you can see the fur over here. So all these I done with my 4B. So other than that, I didn't use my other shades because they are too dark enough to use for this drawing. Okay, so let's see the other one. As you can see, the Chinese temple with its beautiful dragon. Here you can see its outline, which is dark enough like black. I use my 10B. So 10B can be used for outlining any of the drawings to make them look even more highlighted and also to make them look even more dark and good. And other than that, near the clouds, you can see the clouds are a bit light shaded. For it, I use my 4B. So that's it. I just use my dark colors and my light colors. Okay, so now you guys have understood that where you're going to be using light, where you have to use dark. And these are some of my drawings. The other one, hope you guys know this because the Pirates of the Caribbean is a very famous movie and this character is the Jack Sparrow, the lead character in the film. Okay, so the main thing which you should notice in this drawing, okay, so this is the bonus tip for the drawing. If you see the hair is very well highlighted. If you see any other normal drawing, the hair would be like bordered, some would be smudged, some would be blended, which will make the drawing look unrealistic. So for this drawing, I just made him look like, so for a person, the hair wouldn't be like straight, or it wouldn't be like wavy and certain place. It would be like the hair would go that side if it want, this side if it want. So if you see the mustache, I gave it in a very sharp way. So I use some of my light pencils which have a very fine point. So you guys have already remembered F means fine point. So I use them to highlight this mustache nor the hair, the eyebrows and even the eyelashes. So yes, so with this you guys have already had a very good idea of drawing and hope you guys enjoyed this video and also I hope this drawing video really helped you guys a lot. Please comment down below if it really helped you. I'll be so glad to read your comments because I'll be so happy when someone finds my tricks or hacks helpful. And also if you want to know about shading and other videos, I'm going to be posting. So my next video is about shading. So stay tuned. That's it for today. Bye bye.